Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to talk about confidence. The meanings of the confidence, the example of the confidence, and how you can develop confidence in yourself. Dear students, confidence is a belief in oneself or in others you are working with. It is understanding that if you trust yourself or others, you will not be wrong. It is a state of being clear in your head that the path you are walking on is the right path. The hypothesis you have made is correct. The action or work you are doing is the best. The methods you are applying to solve a problem are the most effective methods to solve that problem. In fact, confidence is the key to success. It wins you ultimate victory. If you don't have confidence, you will never be able to do anything in the world. You will never be able to perform good in any field. If you want to perform good, you must develop confidence in yourself. Shouldn't I give you the best example of confidence from the human history? Remember, when the people of Makkah came to the Prophet, peace be upon him, and ordered him to abandon the preaching of Islam, what did he reply? He said, if you put the sun on my right hand and the moon on my left hand, I will not abandon the preaching of oneness of God. I will set up this new belief on the earth, or I will perish in this way. This was his confidence in himself and in his belief. How can we gain this confidence? How can we develop this confidence in ourselves? Dear fellows and students, you must trust in your abilities. You must have confidence. First of all, you must have confidence in yourself. Visualize yourself. Affirm yourself. You're right. Whatsoever you are saying is right. Do one thing that scares you. Do it daily. Question your inner critic. Set up yourself to win. You can win. You can do this. Don't say to yourself that I cannot do this. You can do this. Care your health, care yourself, care your mind, care your abilities. Whatsoever you think is right, try to perform it according to your vision. So, if you want to be successful in your life, be confident. It will lead you to ultimate success. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.